Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. Today I am showing you how you can change your display name in Fortnite. So make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button. Also, this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. When we open Epic Games Launcher, we get this basic interface as you can see on screen, but we have to spot the right upper corner our profile picture and click there. Now we have various options, but we have to go on account section. And that way new page will open up in your default browser. For me it's Opera, for you it can be Google Chrome or maybe Firefox. Now we have account settings, so we need to spot account informations here. As you can see, here is my display name. Now if you want to change it, you have to click this below button here. If you change your Epic Games display, you can't change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm the change. So that means if you change the name now, you must have that name for at least 2 weeks before changing back or to any other name. So thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.